Understanding the phrase, as sick as a dog, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English expression, as sick as a dog. This phrase might sound a bit strange, but it's commonly used in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, as sick as a dog, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. When someone says they are as sick as a dog, it means they are very sick, often feeling nauseous or suffering from a severe illness. It's interesting to note that this phrase has nothing to do with dogs' health. Instead, it's just an expression that has become a part of the English language. The origin of as sick as a dog is not entirely clear, but it's believed to have been in use since the 17th century. Some theories suggest that it might have originated from the observation of how dogs will eat almost anything and sometimes get sick as a result. While the origin is a bit murky, the phrase has stuck and is widely understood among English speakers. Let's look at how to use as sick as a dog in real-life conversations. 1. After eating that expired food, I felt as sick as a dog. 2. She's been as sick as a dog ever since she got back from her trip. In these examples, the phrase is used to express a state of being very ill. It's a more colorful and expressive way of saying someone is very sick. English is full of similar expressions. Here are a few: sick as a parrot, feeling very disappointed or unhappy, under the weather, feeling ill or unwell. These phrases add flavor to the language and are fun to use once you get the hang of them. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of as sick as a dog. Remember, idioms are a great way to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use these expressions in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.